Are you ready to elevate your Forex trading skills? Here are the top Forex trading hacks to boost your success. Always use stop-loss orders to safeguard your capital. The trick? Avoid placing them at obvious levels. Instead, position them slightly beyond key support or resistance points to prevent being stopped out by sudden market shifts. Diversify your trades across various currency pairs. This strategy reduces risk by not concentrating all your investments in one area, allowing you to better balance your portfolio. Keep an eye on economic calendars. Being aware of significant news events can help you avoid trading during volatile periods or take advantage of them. Harness the power of compounding. Reinvest your profits to accelerate the growth of your trading account while maintaining risk management. Always backtest your trading strategies before going live. This practice helps you understand the strengths and weaknesses of your approach in different market conditions. Incorporate sentiment analysis into your trading. Understanding the market's mood can give you an extra edge in making informed trading decisions. There you have it, 6 Forex trading hacks to enhance your journey. Remember, consistent profits come from continuous learning and disciplined trading.